So last week on Migration Monday, we discussed bad migrations and how you can recover from a bad migration. Now, one of the things I want to talk about here is often you're going to have hiccups during your migration. And I call them hiccups because typically something gets forgotten. Something's forgotten, somebody cuts a corner someplace. These things are naturally going to happen. Here's a great example of a migration that just took place in the summer of 2025, and they started the migration on June 5th. So that was right around this point right here. And right after the migration went, we started losing a little traffic, which isn't unusual, but you'll notice the traffic went down by more than half, by a solid half. That is unusual. You really shouldn't lose that much traffic. And when we started digging into it, we found, we didn't do a page-to-page, a one-to-one page migration. Someone took all of the blog posts and tried redirecting them over to the main blog page. They didn't do a one-to-one, so we lost all that blog traffic. So we fixed those URL redirects. We fixed them within a couple of days, and then we implemented it. And you can see within a week or so, we were right back up to where we were. And eventually, and this is what really the goal of a good migration is, you want to be above where you were before. And so we implemented fixes to the site after the migration, got even better. But the point here was that you're going to have hiccups during a migration. Don't panic. If you see your traffic drop too much, you immediately want to dive into the data and say, what did we do? What did we do wrong? Did something happen that shouldn't have happened? Did something happen that we didn't expect to happen? And if you catch it and correct it, you will recover. So not only can you recover a bad migration, but typically during a migration, if something wrong takes place, you can recover it relatively quickly. It's just a matter of finding what went wrong and then correcting it immediately. So that's this week's tip. I hope everybody has a great Migration Monday and a great week overall, and I will speak to you next week. Thank you.